Well, as you can see, that was the Cessna 150 Aerobat that was just seen, came over anyway. You can see it's still right over there. So yes, as you can see, that was the Cessna 150 Aerobat that was anyway, which obviously this plane I've not seen for a while anyway. Obviously this is the first time I ever seen it during the dark anyway. This is the first time I ever see the Cessna 150 Aerobat during the dark anyway, which is obviously for some reason it's getting quite dark anyway. So yeah, and as you can see, the registration is GAYRO, this is, and this is a plane that's based at Newquay Airport anyway. Obviously this is the pride plane that we've not seen before anyway, especially the first time seeing it during the night, during the dark anyway. Probably this is the first time I ever filmed a pride plane just during the dark anyway. So yeah, it's a bit weird to see really, to be fair anyway. It's a bit weird to see this plane during the dark anyway, this pride plane during night time anyway, which as you can see is getting quite dark anyway. So yeah, and as you can see, this is the one that's just, as you can see, that just took off from its base at Newquay Airport just around, I think around 5:15 I think anyway. It took off at Newquay Airport just around 5:15 I believe anyway, which I think that was the time it took off anyway. It was probably around 5:15 anyway from his base to Newquay Airport anyway. As you can see, that's just been over on north to start with. It's been flying towards north to start with, and then just from here it literally just then came over, flew past towards near Stydians, and then just from here he flew in here just about 18,000 feet from here apparently. So yeah, just you can see it just flew in here to about 18,000 feet anyway. I don't know what that one is over there. Not too sure what that one is over there anyway. Something light over there though. I think there's something light over there, I'm not too sure what that is anyway. Something I've just seen over there, which I'm not sure what that is, to be honest. Anyway, I thought there was another aircraft over the distance anyway, but turns out it wasn't anyway. Would have been a lantern or something anyway. I think it might have been the lantern flying over or something though, but I'm not too sure anyway. Because I just thought that, turns out next minute I thought there was another aircraft. I'm like, what? So yeah, so it's really hard to see though what that light was anyway. Whether it would have been the aircraft or whether it been a helicopter or a plane, I'm not sure anyway. But it could have been something else anyway, that's light. So anyway, so as you can see, that was the Cessna 150. That was the Aerobat, and that the registration is GAYRO, that is. So yeah, this is a plane that we have basically seen before anyway. So yeah, this is a private plane that we have seen before anyway. But obviously we have seen it like many times, like during last year anyway, which I remember seeing that plane from last year anyway. So yeah, but this is the one that's based at Newquay Airport anyway. But especially this is the first time I've ever seen it flying over the dark anyway, during the night time anyway. Probably because for some reason it seems to be on the evening flying lesson, I think anyway. It seems to be on night flying lesson, which I don't get why some private planes they do flying the night flying less anyway, which is a bit odd anyway. Normally we don't really see private planes during night time anyway. Normally because we don't really see private planes over the evenings anyway, especially when it's dark anyway, like over the winter. So yeah, especially like over the winter time, we don't really see private planes during the night time anyway. So yeah, which is a bit weird anyway. A bit weird to see though, because normally we don't really see that over the dark anyway. So yeah, which is basically weird anyway. It's weird to see that private plane anyway, especially flying over the dark anyway. So yeah, especially when it's on night flying less anyway. But not very often, we don't really get private planes over the night, but obviously we don't often get private planes flying over during the night time anyway, which normally we don't really see that very often, which is a bit strange anyway. But obviously it was a bit strange to see this one tonight. Apparently was the Cessna 150 Aerobat, that was, and the registration GAYOR, that is. Actually no, it was GAYRO, that was. So yeah, sorry if I keep trying to get number plate wrong apparently, which I don't understand why I do get it wrong anyway. So yeah, this is a bit strange to see private planes over this is a bit strange seeing that private plane over this evening, especially when it's dark anyway. First time we've seen it though, especially in Cornwall, because normally we don't really see private planes when it's dark time during winter. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, but I think by the looks of it, that's probably going to go back to its base at Newquay Airport now anyway. I think that's probably going to go back to its base at Newquay Airport now anyway. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.